my god! This is just getting ridiculous.
Okay, so today's a big day. We just got back from the LZ World Tour, and basically a lot of the drivers and crew from the LZ World Tour are coming to our shop. It's 11 o'clock. We're just waiting for a lot more people to roll in. But Dylan's gonna give us a little look at what he did for the drivers that are coming today.
All right, well, first of all, since the last video we've done anything machine related, we've moved into this space. It's an expansion in the shop. Some of you might remember, if you've watched the other videos, we just had this mill here, and then we had our SC15 lathe here, kind of crammed into the corner by the Waterjet. It wasn't an ideal situation. We had to make it work with the space we had. So now we've got an expansion. We had planned on this for, I'd say we're a better part of a year, right, Jack? Right? So yeah, now we're in here. We've been in here for like 6 months at this point, I think. It's been fantastic. We've added a new machine as well, so it's an SC25. We can go over that a little bit later. But for what we're here for now is, like Jack said, the LZ World Tour. So what we've done is we've made some keychains for the guys to take today. It's just a nice little FDF engraved aluminum billet piece, LZ World Tour on the back. We engraved them on the mill. We could have done them on the live tooling lathe, but it was kind of busy doing another part that we're showing a demo to the guys that come here today for. So yeah, we got those done last week. We can just kind of go over here. We've got some nice shiny billet parts in the toolbox to show off. We've got a step-by-step on how we're doing our Corvette handbrakes from the stock, from the Waterjet, to the first op, to a finished process. So we're gonna kind of show the guys in the shop today just how things work around FDF. It's a very cool experience to get these guys who are so far away once they're up here for the event to show them how things are made, how we do it here, and hopefully everyone enjoys it. And then we're off to the track to have some fun, right? So yeah, very exciting.
Help yourselves to eating as much as possible because we got a ton of food, and we're gonna bring it to the track with us just so there's food there as well. It's amazing having all you guys here. It's really humbling to get to show you the process and everything that we've done. I'm gonna do a walkthrough with Adam. Anyone is welcome to join. I'm gonna be starting here. If you've already seen the shop, that's great. Just kind of like stay, mingle over here, just out of the way so it's not too loud. All right? Cool.
Happy to be here. How are you?
This is Sean Booth. You may know him as Adam's mechanic and right-hand man. He is one of our closest supporters and friend to the guys in the shop. You won't see him without an FDF hat on.
What do you think? You're in Trenton, dude. You're in the small town of Trenton.
Feels weird.
Yeah, dude.
I like it though. Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Look at this. Okay. Picture side. He's just like, you want to touch my handbrake out? Here it is.
That's exactly what he thought. Here, sign the banner. Not on the white.
So what kit is this? Like what's he
That's full Corvette front.
Damn. I'll take one of those. No
Look at
way.
the Hot
They just
Wheels.
shove you in the corner right by the door? I always thought that was how it was in pictures.
Yeah.
Alright, we made it. Got the bathrooms. We got the package station up.
Yeah, dude.
You know I'm
Shipping.
making a mess. Wow.
So this is like the assembly area.
Okay. Every kit gets assembled right here.
Yeah.
I like the red. That does look good. What car is this, you know?
This is that chassis.
Oh yeah, you're right. Just 350Z bearing, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
So it comes from powder, gets assembled here. So this station is where they tap all the bungs, put the heim joints in, stuff like that. So there's one person working in this whole area.
Wow.
And then it goes to shipping and then out. Basically every single area in here is one person except for like welding.
Okay.
That's it.
Nice.
Welding has two people, everyone else has one basically.
That's to clean up all the holes after powder coat or what?
Yeah, so we just retap them so everything's smooth.
Sweet. Genius. We got Sean over here just open everything.
What?
It's drill bits and stuff.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, this is the spot. What's up, baby? You prepping my rig for today or what? Can I take it for a lap today or what? Adam Booth. Damn, Ethan, good job. Wanted to try.
This water gets hotter than a hot tub.
How do you get the plate up there?
Magnets and a forklift.
Magnets? This is just getting ridiculous. Just thing on thing on thing on thing.
I'm glad Duarte was here because I was like, anytime he's like, why can't you just do it? I'm like, because it's in a sheet over there. The kit's not even done, man. He's like, I just don't get it. Like, you should be able to just make it tomorrow. I'm gonna show you one day.
One dude runs this all day. One
Yeah,
dude.
it goes here to welding.
And then we have a night shift here.
So you run 2 shifts?
So we
What
have
night?
this-
What time at night?
Well, you have to
He
take
runs
40
until
hours
3 in the
to run
morning.
one.
Hell yeah.
What?
We get-
Okay, so this is Dylan, right? Strictly Dylan.
Strictly done.
Don't cross the line, right?
No, you can.
Cross the line.
Oh, can I have one of these? Is this for the, oh damn, it's like a spark plug thing, no? But it's not. I'll wear it every day, just like my hat. All right, so this is Dylan. What we got here? Got a bar feeder, so this is just for tubes only.
This is feeds bars like this.
Okay.
Automatically, so these machines can run at night. Usually around 3 to 4 hours with nobody here, and they'll keep running on their own.
Wow.
Yeah. So these 2 machines, this one has live tooling. You know what that means?
Yeah.
So live tooling lathe means that there's also a milling head in the lathe. So you can make parts like this.
2 things at once.
It'll
Go
turn the
this way,
part,
this way.
and then it'll mill the hex around, and then it chamfers the edges all in one shot.
2.5 minutes later, we got this. What's up, baby?
Hey man, how's it going, dude?
Finally, I'm in your area.
Yes, sir. Thank you for coming.
This is nice. You make these? I like them.
A whole bunch for you guys over there.
That's sweet. How long would this take when you had to take it out of the lathe and put it in the mill?
So I think the first operation was like 3 minutes 45, 3 minutes 50 seconds.
Okay.
And then milling them, we would be able to do 4 at a time.
Wow.
But it was like, I think like another 3.5 minutes, 4 minutes to do it. So now we're down to like 5 minutes doing it all on the machine. So less time. And then these machines are both open to do something else while it's making them, right?
That
So,
makes sense.
Yeah, it was a no-brainer. Like,
So the 2 live tooling heads on it right now are this one. So this one spins, and then that end mill over there, the spiral flip.
okay. So we can, here, I'll just do this right now.
This is so f***ing cool. Jack, we're doing science, baby. We're just making these today. No big deal, guys. Is this it?
Now you gotta blow it off, dude. Get your blower.
There's 3 in here. Was there already some in here?
No, that's it.
That's it.
No way.
I was a button pusher at one time.
And they used to have to do 2 machines to make the hex in the mill, and now it does it in 1 machine.
You guys can tell he doesn't get away from the compound much.
We don't have this. Let's go over here.
Here you go. Let's make it hamper. Crack those vices open.
Are you sure about this?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Hold that one over in the cart. And then grab a piece with the number 2 line on the vice right there.
Can you confirm that's on 2?
I will make sure. Press the green button. Oh, you're a button pusher now.
Damn. It's real slight with it. It's quick. It's crazy because they cut it out of this after. Do you flip it over? So you flip it. You put it back. Okay.
It is, so I hold on to it, and if we take the rest off, and you basically do the same thing on the top side, then it's ready to go.
What the hell? How long is this?
12 minutes.
Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. The craziest part is we have one of these at the compound, but you gotta go like this to move it.
My guy's flinching over here.
He keeps jumping every time.
Okay, you want to come back to it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll be back. We got 12 minutes.
Okay.
So that's just Dylan.
Yeah, so this is the whole welding area. This is the fast
Cam, and who else?
stuff. Cam's right here and Rain's
I didn't know
right
you
there.
made these. Lee, you know they made these? I didn't know they made these.
I think you know we made those.
I need these.
What? Y'all make those?
Right?
You need one?
I don't think you advertise this enough, Jack.
For real, because I got this spot.
Sorry. How many welders we got?
Two.
That's it.
Sam here, Rain there. That's it.
Wow.
So that's a knuckle back for the 350 mega kit. So that comes off the Waterjet. That was Waterjet cut.
Where's the knuckle piece that they weld to? Where's it go?
So those slots line up with those slots. Yeah. Then it gets filled. Well, you have it upside down. But
Look,
yeah.
look. Where's the professional? Where's Cam?
This is a raw lower. Yeah, same one.
It's tacked.
So yeah, fully welded there, tacked there, yeah.
Why?
Just probably didn't finish them yet, but everything gets tacked and then fully welded.
So like they'll get a sheet of the order and then they'll come here and get the part.
So they'll come in bins like that, and then they basically organize it where they need on the shelf. And then sometimes it's built to order, but then sometimes it's like doing stock. Like those aren't sold yet. So you're just doing stock of lowers right now.
So kit gets ordered, paper comes out, the invoice comes out. Normally it's all made and ready over there and they just package it and ship it? Okay. So
if it's not, then a note goes in Shopify saying, hey, we need these. Tim gets it on his computer, comes over here, makes it.
Got it.
Yeah.
So then he gets the invoice of make this, then he comes over here.
Yeah.
He's got every part possible to weld right here.
And then they're in charge if they don't have something to put it on a sheet to go to Brendan, so Brendan can cut it or outsource it.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
How rad is that?
That's a lot, dude. Yeah. So the Heim joints go, and Dylan makes these on his machine.
Yeah.
So Dylan makes them there, and then they just come right over here to this bin.
That's it.
Yeah.
Quick, easy.
It's
simple.
welded, done.
So sick, dude.
Yeah.
You know I gotta look at the notes.
So this is the powder coating area.
So is Dad still doing it?
Waterjet, welding, powder coating.
Like, shoop.
Yes.
That's nice.
Yeah. So now we have someone full time doing this. So
Not
Troy
his
doesn't
dad.
do it
Oh
anymore.
wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So sandblaster,
Okay. All you need, right?
basic, super simple. Sandblasted and
Every
then
part.
every part.
No matter what.
So these would be sandblasted already.
This isn't.
This isn't, no.
So it'll
So
look
if
like
it
that.
blast that, yeah, it'll have like this like matte, clear finish. The booth
It's kind of small.
is kind of small.
Booth in the booth. Yeah.
Everything goes onto the rack and then it goes into the oven here.
Big.
So the whole rack just slides right into the oven. Set your timer and
That
then,
thing fits in there.
yep,
Tight fit, eh?
tight fit, tight fit. And then all of our powders up top.
Damn, way up there.
So you know how we do like custom colors and stuff?
Yeah.
So like a lot of them, we have like the popular ones in stock, but if we don't, then we'll get it, we'll stock it on the shelf.
Nice.
Yeah. Hey dude, you're coming to my office now, dude.
Whoa, no way. You have your own office?
Yeah, dude.
Wow. Damn, this is nice. You like have an area. That's kind of nice.
Yeah, dude.
I know you
So
have to share
it
for,
doubles
like,
as a
lunch, I
lunchroom
guess.
too.
Okay.
These just pop
Does
up.
everybody eat here normally?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you try to like dip out or you just hang out for a little bit?
Hang out, yeah.
And it smells good in here. I don't know why.
That's it,
Is
dude.
that where we're going?
That's where we're going. That's where we're going, man.
I'm
Shanny.
so excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick, man. I'm
Oh,
fucking
sounds like
pumped.
Colette's here. Oh!
Hey, getting the big tour here.
Yeah, dude, we need to learn the setup for powder coating. How come none of our sandblasters ever work consistently? I always gotta kick it. There's always crap falling out of the bottom.
So you need to invest in a good sandblaster, and you'll never have that really like $6,000. Not that bad.
Michael!
What's up, dude?
Welcome.
Big tour guide guy.
Huge tour guide.
How's it been, man?
Excellent, yeah, it's really exciting having everyone at the shop, getting to show them like all the passion that gets put into our parts, right? So yeah, it's excellent.
What's up, dude? Just making sure Adam fits in the S14 before we take it to the track. Might have to make some brakes.
I think the pedals are perfect. Is this LS gonna change me?